Hey guys, I'm back. Here's one of the vintage watches that I'm working on. She is completely done. Now she works. Look at her. Look how precious she is. I only paid $1 for her. I can't believe I got her running. It has the little roses. You know me with my flowers and everything. So follow the channel so you can see a lot more DIYs, a lot more watches that I fix in the whole 9 yards. And anyone has any questions, feel free to send me a message at the bottom. I'm so excited. I'll see everyone later. And $1, it was a steal. And she's so precious. All right, bye everyone.